So tanan mo gunit ari sa atuang pisik, no? Kay atuang ihagbong na. One of the trusted engineers of the Realty Builders, Kenneth Lloyd. Okay. Kenneth, would you mind if I say si Kenneth man kagawad? Alright. So we have to untangle the wire there, and then we'll slowly, I'll just have you here. Ken, you guide on doing my shot, they have? Right. If you're ready with the tambay lang itong pisik ato sa gikuan. And in this particular juncture, I would like to personally acknowledge Ma'am Rose Cabang. Ma'am, you help us a lot in this endeavor. Murag alas 4 kaskan lang manawon. Okay, my count. Ladies and gentlemen, you're about to witness. That was in Genito. You're about to witness the ceremonial laying of the time capsule. In my count. 3, 2, 1, and 0. Slowly, we are releasing the capsule. And hopefully, 100 years from now, this will be excavated and we'll see the faces of the people around here gathering and well wishers. Wala ba kayong mga kamay?